Welcome to Logan Nation News.
Today we're going to be making some 4-cheese mashed potatoes. Yeah. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is start up the stove. So next you're going to want to get your banana here and start chopping it up into little pieces. So we'll just about good lemon to it. You know what I mean, guys? Yeah. Okay, next, you're going to want to get your chocolate syrup, but you're going to only want to get 1 drop. If you do any more, then it's all over, okay? You know what I mean? Ever so carefully. Oh, no! Well, that was a complete disaster. All right, well, I guess we're gonna have to start all over again, I guess. Okay, now that you got it in the shape, now you're going to want to mix it up a little bit. Just a little bit, just like that. All right. Now come with me. I'm going to show you step number 6. All right, let's go. Okay, now that that's done, next we're going to have to get our next ingredient, Mr. Nesquik Man. Now, what we're going to have to do in order to be able to use such a, such an ingredient, we're going to have to give Mr. Nesquik here about, let's say about 20 bucks. Hey there, Mr. Rabbit Dude. Easter's coming up, man. You're going to need a good old Benjamin Franklin. Okay, that didn't seem to work. Okay, so next I'm going to go with Plan B. What's that? What? We have been granted access to access the Nesquik. It's been vaporized.
Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic, eh, Luigi? I hope you may like the spaghetti. Luigi, look! It's from Bowser. Dear pesky plumbers, the Koopalings and I have taken over the mushroom...
Oh, guys, look! It's done! Let's check out our progress. And now your chips should be at the right temperature. And remember, guys, if you get these about now, there's a special event going on where you could enter for a chance to win $125 in Fanatics e-gift card when you buy Post cereals. Well, that sounds pretty interesting. Well, this has been Logan Nation News Cooking Edition. And, happy birthday, Alex. Yeah.